why government in Nepal is so fluctuating? Because if your shakeable government is there, policies will keep on changing.
Gen Z protesters from its community helped out Sushila Kasi was picked for the post.
So Nepal is steadily making moves to restore stability after anti-government protests jolted the nation. Now, the government has already formed a 5-member committee for reconstruction.
Having a stable governance sort of takes a country to a whole new level in the global optics.
Right. What is your vision for your business?
Taking YY for an IPO, and a big IPO.
For India, Nepal is so important. It's like an extended family, you can say, right?
India is going. We, along with the India growth story, is going.
How was the experience with the Kumbh?
Fabulous. You got to be there to feel the moment.
How you see business now?
The snack segment is only growing, guys. We've just done a deal with Bikaji, and I am super excited about it.
And what you guys are doing with Ambani's also?
Yeah, so my brother, he did a deal with Campa Cola. And I know Anant, I was there for his wedding. Anant is one of the nicest human beings I know.
So I've seen a lot of young entrepreneurs who are struggling, trying their hard.
You got to be taking risks. I've died almost 4 times.
And how you managed to came back?
You know, that's the time I always say it. I'm forever grateful to Mr. Gautam Adani. He was the one who sent his...
So first of all, thank you for being part of Impact Stories.
Welcome to Nepal.
Thank you so much for having us. So I always come up with this question, the legacy business is a gift or is a burden?
It's not a burden for sure. It's something which we take a lot of pride in.
100%, yes.
You know, built by our forefathers. My father took it to a whole new level.
Right.
So the benchmark which he set, taking that legacy forward is a beautiful journey. And we are equally thrilled. We are making our contribution
Yes, 100%.
towards making the pie larger and larger.
So you started a journey from Doon School, as far as I can see.
Yeah, before that I was in Vellum Boys, so we were sent to boarding school at the age of 6.
Okay, so I just want to touch down that journey also, how you started everything, how till to the you entered into the business, how was the everything you went
No,
to the sequence? Yeah.
So I've got 2 elder brothers as well, Nirvan and Rahul. They went to Vellum Boys first because it was considered that in order to get to Doon School, because that was our ultimate.
Because I'm from Dehradun, that's why.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so we spent our entire childhood in Dehradun.
Yes, that's why I asked the question.
We had Rajpur Road, we had Ashley Hall.
100%.
Ashley Hall used to be
Yes, yes.
So we were sent to Vellum Boys when we were 6, all of us. Definitely Nirvan had the tough job to do, being the eldest one. So by the time I sort of got in, still it was young for us, but you know, when I look back, I think it was the best decision ever made. The best decision was actually the Doon School. That was in the year 98. And the friends I made there, what I learned outside the class has been embedded in me till date.
So how Doon School is different than other schools?
No, it's the kind of overall personality and character development that they do. It's that sportsmanship
They build up.
they build up, if you have it in you. You know, it's that fraternity they build up. It's that friends the school gives you, which remain, you know, with you lifelong.
You're connected with them?
Yeah, I mean, eventually, you know, your friend circle, your core friends keep getting more and more, let's say, smaller and smaller, and it eventually ends up being with just the 2 or 3 of your closest friends, or maybe, you know, 5.
Right.
But then those 5 friends are your friends for life.
Let's say I take away everything from your part, even the business, what is Varun Chaudhary at the end?
What is
Let's put behind business and this.
too much of an oceanic of a question?
Hmm.
I have many facets other than business.
I really want to know.
You know, other than business,
Yes.
you'll be surprised that, you know, me along with one of my friends, we founded the Cine Circle Award of Nepal, which basically recognizes the movie industry of Nepal. And we are the only probably award ceremony which has been consistent year after year. And I take a very keen interest in the entertainment. Be it here, be it in Bollywood, be it everywhere.
You ever thought of acting also?
No, but I've been told that you'll be a good actor, but I never did.
Because I've seen the post that you are very much active on all the platforms, cinema related, are very much.
Exactly. So, and it's a very natural sort of a course for me that I end up gelling well with.
Yeah. I see. Obviously, I look around, I find.
So the stories of my wall depicts my life.
Yes.
Second thing is that I'm a very spiritual person. Very, very spiritual.
See, spirituality comes with a lot of package these days. What are you exactly in it?
So, I'm quite close to Bageshwar Dham Sarkar.
I've seen one.
And he is the one who actually changed my whole thought process. I'm a big Balaji Hanumanji Bhakt myself, and so is he. And it's only after meeting him that, the inner sort of re-engineering happened. And I invited him to Nepal, which he lovingly accepted. He came here. And the sentiments and the emotions of the people, we did a katha in our temple in a place called Shashwat Dham. The temple is called Shashwat Dham. And that was a turning point. That was a turning point for all of us.
But I can see you can speak really 2-3 languages very beautifully.
I
I
speak multiple languages.
Hindi really well, English really well, Nepali and Malay.
Well, I speak Marwari also.
Marwari, yeah.
So,
So ऐसा क्या अलग है? मतलब godmens, a lot of godmens are there, right? What is different in Bageshwar?
no, you need to find yourself
Even I want to understand.
in someone you
Yeah.
sort of trust. And with him, उनके साथ कैसा हो गया था कि first meeting में ऐसा हो गया था कि I found my calling.
अच्छा.
जो औरों के साथ मेरा कभी नहीं हुआ.
और वो क्लिक क्या होता है? मतलब
वो बस क्लिक हो जाता है. आपको भी पता नहीं चलता कि क्लिक कैसे हो जाता है. वो बस हो जाता है. उसे सिद्धि कहते हैं, उसे शक्ति कहते हैं. और उसी शक्ति से ही जिंदगी का एक नया रंग रूप शुरू होता है.
So एक बार मैं किसी बाबा का पॉडकास्ट कर रहा था, तो मैंने उनसे ऐसे सवाल पूछा था कि गुरु की जरूरत क्यों है? ऐसे बहुत कॉमन सा क्वेश्चन है कि मुझे क्यों चाहिए भाई गुरु ऐसे? तो उन्होंने बोला कि पूजा करता है. मैंने कहा जी करता हूँ. कि जब पूजा करता है तो क्या मांगता है? मैंने कहा भाई क्या मांगता है इंसान? धन दौलत जो मांगेगा वही मांगता है. To have that understanding what you're asking from the God, you require, because he's bigger than what you expect. He's bigger than the wealth, he's bigger than your understanding. So what you're asking should be bigger than your thought process. That's how you need a guru. Is it correct?
Yeah, he sees what you don't see.
Yes.
As simple. उनको वो दिखता है जो हमें नहीं दिखता है. And if you're really connected in a eternal way, then that itself shows you the path towards where you want to go. Because when we sit down, we spend hours and hours. And normally, when I meet him, it's like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning too. So that goes on till 7, 8 in the morning. So it's the most peaceful time. So you can imagine the amount of peaceful conversation, in-depth conversation I have with him. Obviously, that's between him and me. But my conversation sort of, revolves around what I'm going to do 10 years from now. Not just about myself or my company, but at large. What are my contributions going to be towards the society? What are my contributions going to be towards Nepal? What is my contribution going to be, overall, where I am? So, हम लोग उस लेवल में बात करते हैं.
बट कभी कभार जनता तो कभी सोचती है कि बिजनेस में बहुत सेल्फिश होते हैं.
अब वो तो
देखिए, कुछ भी कर लीजिए. हाँ,
कुछ भी कर लीजिए, अच्छा बुरा जो भी कर लीजिए, उनका सोच तो उनका सोच है. लेकिन ये भी है कि majority of the fraction they love it. They love the fact that
you're building the legacy.
We are building the legacy. But हम लोग we work 16 hours a day.
Yes, 100%. And I believe also,
the amount of sacrifices we make.
Right. They will obviously never understand.
they may not be able to understand, but the good thing about social media these days is you can at least sort of showcase what you're doing, you know because of, let's say, podcasts, because of communication, because of let's say the story you want to put on your podcast, that sort of gives them that different angle of looking at things. वो optics बदल जाता है,
वो personal connect देता है कि हाँ,
देता है कि
भी जानना
हाँ कि and like I was telling my podcast, I end up getting such messages and feedback that Varun Dai means their brother, or that we never ever knew that this is you.
What is your vision down the line for your business?
I'm very very clear. YY
Yeah, it was a baby raised child.
is something. I mean, Dad started it, and Nirvan looks after the YY business in Nepal. I look after the YY business outside of Nepal because I live in Delhi. So in India also we've got 13 plants. I've expanded to already Kazakhstan, which is looking after the entire Central Asia. Serbia looks after the entire Europe. We're doing in Egypt now.
Multiple cities.
Multiple countries.
Sorry, 20 countries.
So the idea is now YY from Nepal, now we're in 50 countries.
50 countries, yes, if I'm not.
So my idea is to make YY really big. Really, really big. And the India's growth story under the Prime Minister, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, I can easily see where India is going.
Yeah, 100%.
And we, along with the India growth story, is going.
But how you maintain the taste in every country? Because 50 plus countries.
No, you see, taste obviously you have to alter according to the local palates, but the core product YY is same everywhere.
Same everywhere.
But थोड़ा 19-20 का फर्क इसलिए होता है कि वहाँ पे maybe पानी का फर्क होता होगा. But otherwise, by and large, it's same everywhere.
And how you thought making it so big?
वो तो vision भी रहता ना, ambition.
क्योंकि already they are all.
And like I said, the ability. I actually started my professional journey in Dubai. 2004 में when I passed out of Doon School, my friends, they all went for holidays. I ended up going to Dubai. My parents said that, no, better you come to Dubai and, let's spend some time together. Moment I landed there, my parents, I think, came from Cairo or Egypt that time. I said, this is where I want to be. This is where I want to start my professional journey. That 3 days of our little holiday got converted into 2 weeks where we ended up buying a cluster of buildings, and that's how my journey started at the age of maybe 18 or something.
A lot of people say that when you accumulate wealth, it divide people, divide the family. Do you buy it?
I don't. Because of the fact that at the age of 6, when your parents send you to boarding school, the 3 brothers become so strong.
I asked you this question because in your family, I haven't seen this thing.
And I'm telling you that we don't, because we have an understanding.
There can be arguments.
Arguments.
Business is such a way.
But no. But usme bhi, what we have to remember that, our businesses are so well planned. Each of us look after our own verticals.
Oh, never interrupt.
We don't. So there is no question of any sort of, fallout or, separation or anything happening. We are running our vehicles of growth. And we enjoy driving those.
Let's say whenever you get time out from the business, all 3 brothers, how you hang out? What do you like to do?
End up going to one of our properties.
That's
We've got a vast amount of hotels globally. I don't think so. कहीं और देखने की जरूरत ही पड़ती है.
Yeah, 160 plus hotels, 162 plus.
Almost 200 now.
Yeah. 200 now.
Yeah. Okay. And it's a ritual that every year we go to our resort in Philippines, our wellness resort in Philippines.
Okay. Now it got visa free for Indians also.
Like something we are, from Nepal. Even for Nepal also, it's visa on arrival. So that's not a big deal. But we go there for at least 10 days to 2 weeks to detox.
Why detox is so important?
It is important because you see, with our kind of lifestyle,
Yeah, burnout will be,
burnout is guaranteed.
and how massive it can be.
No, it can. Let's say I am traveling 20 days a month. So this one time I did 4 cities in one day.
4 cities in one
Yeah.
day. Acha.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, then after dinner.
So burnout is
One city.
one burnout is.
So, but if you are not there physically everywhere, this growth will not happen. You cannot sit in your office and do this. No matter how much people say that, internet, the whole digital thing, the phone that we carry, it makes, no, your physical presence makes a difference. When you go meet people, when people come to meet you,
I want to understand how this all business structured. What all verticals we are into, how it's functioning, and
so I think we have about 13, 14 different verticals.
so CGC food I'm aware about.
Yeah, CG Food, so we would hospitality, real estate, telecom, banking, cement, I look after cement, biotech, Ayurveda, education I said, then electric vehicles, food park, agro food park. Now we are looking at getting into hospitals.
And how we decide, okay, which
No, so
look forward.
that is the chairman.
Hmm.
And I mean, he's sharp as ever. The biggest blessings we have in our life is him.
Okay. And how he functions.
He functions, हम तीन एक तरफ वो एक तरफ.
Acha.
He's ahead of the game.
How to be ahead of the game? That's what I want to know.
Because there's 1 in a billion, no?
It's an experience thing or
It's experience and he's 1 in a billion
100%.
for us.
There's an image in Nepal that you are the billionaire family from Nepal, right? But as far as I can understand, look out the dynamics and inside stories. There are many, but who don't know to come out. Is it the way?
I'm not aware of.
I'm just wanted to understand.
Maybe.
If the business thing is so difficult to make in Nepal, how you have come out of the rat race and build a massive business in a massive country?
No, because you see, me and my brother, we left Nepal and we became non-residents.
Okay. Yes. Right.
And like I said, the sacrifices we've done is also no less.
100%. You're still very much connected with your dad? Means
Oh,
connected means
completely. I'm the youngest one also. no?
yeah. That's why I asked the question.
So I spent a lot of time with him.
What advices you keep always in your head? Oh, this is something I should cherish.
Every day is something new. Every minute, every hour I sit with him, there is something to learn.
Yeah, because he's ahead of the game.
We may be doing things in a certain way despite our experience of almost of 20 years. 2005, I think is when I started.
Yes.
20 years. But even in that one particular deal, we may think that we've done the best. But he'll come and add some value to it, which will change the whole perspective. So, we're blessed.
Let's say, what is success actually for you apart from money and fame, which you have obviously accumulated with time?
You see, I've never had success at my head. So, I don't know what success is. I don't know.
But still, you're ahead of a lot of people. Always.
Maybe, when people say, I say, but I'm like, thank you.
You're very humble. You're humble as a human being also. Maybe that's why you have so much of gallery around.
Possibly. And these galleries are basically of those people. It's not just a photo moment. It's I am deeply connected to these people in some form.
Why is it important to be humble when you're up on the ladder?
Because if you're not humble, you'll come crashing down. And this is something which, our parents have also. We look at them. The culture, the value system.
Yes.
You meet my dad, you'll flip.
You have flip, okay.
You meet my mother, you'll flip even more. Okay. So we learn.
Do destiny play the role also?
Luck.
Luck play the role also. And how? In your
The right time, right person at the right place at the right time.
लोग कहते थे बट ये सच में होता भी है.
होता 100% होता है.
आप कोई बताओ ना कुछ स्टोरी ऐसा.
India.
India, yes.
I moved to India I was in Dubai. I mean, I still go there every second month. When the economic meltdown came in 2008, yes, that taught me how to, survive in the most turbulent times. And I succeeded in that, in a sense that, I made sure that we sort of, sail through the storm.
I don't know, but why? I really want to know from your take on success also.
Like I said, there is no particular definition for success. Now, for me, the benchmark of success is my father. Oh, okay. Now, there is only one Mukesh Ambani. There's only one Amitabh Bachchan. 100%. Right? Yeah. So for me, he's like one of them.
And nobody can
Nobody
with that
can.
stature also.
They cannot, right? I try maybe working even 25 hours in a day.
Right. Even I say a lot of time on my show also. If a lot of actors say I want to be like Mr. Bachchan, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, I said it's impossible. You can be you, but to reach that.
So that's what I've reconciled with myself.
Yeah.
That you carve out your own identity, you carve out your own journey, right? But destination is where you see your father. So for me, that's my.
And what do you think your father's success stake will be?
His is simple discipline, man. The way he's, disciplined, self-motivated. He's 70. Yeah. Completely health freak. Knows what he's doing. 6 months from now, his calendar's planned.
Okay. We tried to fit in, but we didn't able to fit in. But we tried, yeah. We also tried, yes.
Few success, discipline, So, if you are disciplined, that's a part of success.
Is it life is all about accumulating wealth?
Not at all. Not at all.
So what more to it?
There's so much to it. Yeah. It's about how you take people along with you. You should see my relationship with my colleagues in my company. So, in today's world, human capital is the most precious thing. Why? Because opportunities are everywhere. Who makes you grow? Your people make you grow.
100%. So I've seen a lot of young entrepreneurs also struggling, trying their hard, but nobody reaches to that stature. Somewhere in the between, they get stuck at that level. But why they not able to come above that race?
डर के आगे जीत है.
Respect.
डर के आगे जीत है. You got to be taking risks. You got to be making bold.
But risk is dangerous.
So what? Losing is not when you fall down, it's when you refuse to get up. How many times I've failed?
So you believe?
I've died almost 4 times. First one was my car crash. Yeah. Massive car crash. Then second one was the pancreatic attack. The third one was I got the worst Delta wave, 21 days in oxygen. And fourth one was the worst. I had a jet ski crash in middle of the sea.
Middle of the sea. And how you managed to came back?
That's the time I always say it. I'm forever grateful to Mr. Gautam Adani. He was the one who sent his plane with 2 doctors to evacuate me. So
That's again, it's more of
human.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. You accumulate as much of wealth that has its own merit. But look at the human touch Gautam Maya has.
Yeah, even I have such. I'm sure.
You can relate to what I'm saying.
Sure. I'm reading every word, what are you saying? So the thing
Because
is-
you see, by nature, I'm a person, I help anybody and everybody, wherever I can.
But when you're nice, people take advantage of that also.
But you need to draw a line, no? We don't buy now, so we also know.
Yeah. I think because of your 4 incidences, you're now converted into a spiritual person because there's
Okay.
much more to add.
Much more to it, yeah.
And how was your experience with the Kumbh?
Oh, fabulous. fabulous.
See, I also went there, so I just want to
So
understand.
you can ask
See,
yourself.
that's everybody's personal.
It's
yeah.
so personal, yeah. You got to be there to feel the moment.
Some people in India said that it's just a propaganda by the government also. Yeah. But I don't buy that.
Not at all. It showed the power of a particular event.
Yeah, it's a whole new research now.
It showed how well it was managed. Nahi?
No, 100%.
You agree?
See, it was a whole new research that how can so many people get gathered at the same
And that's what I'm saying. So everything went well, yeah. But yeah, I think I must have visited so many akhadas out there. Visiting, having, the food there, meeting people, meeting gurus there. Feeling the moment, living in the moment.
which is important.
Oh, of course. That's where I met Kailash Anandji.
Yes.
So, you got to meet people to learn something. Like when I meet somebody, I don't meet anybody with an agenda. I meet them how we can learn.
Society has been such a way constructed that it's a materialistic society. Do you go somewhere and evaluate the pocket first or just the human being first?
Human being, why do I need to measure pockets here?
Sometimes people,
Not me. I mean, zarur bhi nahi hai.
yeah, 100%.
Our desires in life is so little. Wearing a simple Ramraj shirt.
पर पता नहीं मुझे तो ऐसा लगने लगा जितनी बार मैं अपने पॉडकास्ट पे लोगों से मिला हूं ना मुझे लगता है ऊपर जाते तो लोगों की भूख कम होगी नीचे आने की भूख ज्यादा है
नहीं ऊपर कम होती है.
हाँ मतलब वो
Because you see,
you have gone ahead of ladder
because your way of thinking becomes
very different and I think then the roadmap go to spirituality also.
Yeah, and that's, you can see me. I mean, you can see, दिख रहा ना पीछे.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
You can see everywhere. You'll see everywhere, you'll see something at the other mirror.
कोई ऐसी स्टोरी तो आपके लाइफ में जरूर आई होगी जो स्पिरिचुअल एंगल आपको बड़ा हिट बैक किया हो जैसे कोई कभी अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है आदमी को लगता है अरे तो ऊपर वाले की मेहर हो सकती है.
Surviving 4 deaths is no joke. नहीं?
Yeah. How you see business now? मतलब you have something more to offer to it or just you just want to stick to the legacy?
No, not at all. In fact, we've just done a deal with Bikaji and I am super excited about it.
And what we are bringing it on the table?
So we are setting up a manufacturing unit here in Nepal. And also, we're in talks to do it in other countries as well. But I'm super excited because you see the snack segment is only growing.
Yes.
So along with YY, I'm very excited about Bikaji journey.
And what you guys are doing with Ambani's also? Yeah, something.
Yeah, so my brother, he did a deal with Campa Cola.
Yeah. So why it's an old thing in the India, but now
The brand recall of Campa, boss.
Yeah.
Nahi?
Yeah. See, we have
You are living your childhood memories, no?
100%. See, I don't know. There was a movie also where somebody only go in search to see the Campa again. Look for his old.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's a.
You see, brand plays a big role. And, you and me will probably meet again next year this time. And then we'll again meet next year again this time. You go on measuring where I am today, where I'll be 1 year from now.
I'm sure
it's charted out.
Yeah, I can see people. I see because of meeting so many people also on the podcast and to know. See, my job is not to know how well the business is going. My job is to understand the human being first, the personal touch. Once you understand the human being, his vision is, I can assure that his vision is.
No, for sure. And kalai ne kaleja chahiye.
Right. So let's say, अब क्या होता है ना लोग criticism भी add करते हैं इसमें है ना criticism भी आता है लोग कहते हैं कि अरे ये तो वाई तो मैगी बना रहे हैं चाउमीन बना रहे हैं ये तो यार इंसान को खराब करेगा कैंपा को ला रहे हैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक खराब करेगा how businessmen buy those criticized.
You will have a thick skin.
Like Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
It's only growing and growing.
Yeah, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan once said, I really like the thought. A news reporter asked, how can you promote alcohol and something a brand? I said, ask the government to stop it. I will not promote it. Why are you picking up my collar up? First he'll ban it. Where am I placed? Nowhere.
And it's only growing here. And we are growing year after year. We are adding plants year after year.
But लोग तो देखते ना बिजनेसमैन को देखते ना देखो मैं एक नाइव बिल्कुल वाले थॉट पे जा रहा हूँ ग्राउंड पे
आप मेरे साथ काम करिए Whenever you're in Delhi next, I'll take you to one of my plants.
Okay.
You see the way we produce. And see, I'll take you to actually one of my food parks. You see what we've created.
Okay. Do we care about the health also at the same time when you produce a product? Or we
No, it's all there. We are very transparent. It's all written. Everything's doing that.
yes, because sometimes people think that, oh, businessman at the end of the day, he's earning for the money. But what I think is that,
And more than anything, yet today you become health conscious.
yeah.
So then people know, na.
What is purpose bigger than just around you, things are around you? What is bigger purpose in life for you?
My immediate thing is taking YY for an IPO. For sure. And a big IPO.
You're a strong believer in manifestation also.
Completely. And I know it's going to happen.
So when I have to come next to you, so ask the same question.
Today is what date? 10th of August.
August. Yeah.
So next 10th of IPO, we are looking at maybe 27.
Yeah.
But we are on that path of.
So that's your bigger purpose in life.
In a sense that, what you've worked for so many years, that culminating into something larger than life.
And which country was difficult to crack in YY thing when you were expanding? Which country was hard to crack?
Kazakhstan.
Why is it?
Different, dominant players.
Okay.
And it took us a lot of time.
And how you cope up with the global brands also like Maggie?
We fight it out. The way we fight out India, globally we fight out local players. That's not a big deal. But Kazakhstan was tough to crack, but we cracked. Now you'll see, but it took us time. Eventually, we've cracked it.
And how these deals go?
Personal relationship. Networking.
Okay.
That's it. And that's exactly what has made me crack. My personal relationships. You just need to meet the right people, convince him, talk to him. Make sure that, he's the right person. That's it. Even the person you're talking to, he's looking for opportunities. And if he sees that fire in you, the person you're talking to, that is exactly what he buys into.
What other business players can't see what you can see at this stature?
No, but what I feel is that, we've got tremendous amount of exposure. I operate India, Nepal, for my noodles business, Kazakhstan, Bangladesh, Serbia, and Egypt. You'll be surprised where the world is going here.
Do companionship also play a big role?
In a sense?
In a sense, your wife is there.
Of course. You see, she is the one who's taking care of the house, the kids. They are the next gen who will be taking over from me.
Because in some time when you're working really hard, आपकी ना कभी family पीछे
वही तो sacrifices इसे बोलते हैं. But we somehow, manage time. Let's say when I'm in Delhi, I make it a point कि ऑफिस से घर आके घर ही रहना है. Unless until about some very important, but I tend to, and Sunday is only a family day. मतलब nothing else collides or comes on that.
But what a sacrifice a businessman gives this?
Lots, yeah. Look at my travels itself. I'm traveling 15-20 days a month. So that's where what we end up doing is that summers we've made it a cardinal principle in my family that we are in London and Europe every summer. Because that's where we get to at least have a good time.
What do you like to read about more?
I read a lot. I read a lot. I read a lot on current affairs. And the books I read, it's biographies, it's various countries, policies.
किस biography बड़े fascinate हुआ आपको?
My father's.
Oh my God, everything comes down to that.
100%. Because you read it, you'll be fascinated.
I don't want to meet him and want to shoot a podcast.
Next time Delhi में
Yes.
We'll get you.
So you don't believe he was when I got to know about Nepal, when I went to moving this international chapter, he was the first one in my list. But now he's the hard to yeah. But still, I understood Nepal really well, that he represent Nepal.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I mean, we've been in the Forbes list for the last 13, 14 years.
Yes. So if a person like me who was unaware about the nearest country but started doing the chapter, the first person who comes in the mind,
Right, for sure.
that means that obviously he has taken the torch.
Sure.
Yes. but I don't know, but still आपकी आंखों से ना आपके फादर को समझना चाहता था कि मैं कहीं ना कहीं वो भूख है, मैं उनसे मुलाकात की भूख थी कि वो बात होती है हमारी पॉडकास्ट, बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस आई डोंट नो समहाउ ना
Yeah, he's doing. I am handling my part of my verticals. He's handling me, my two brothers, his politics,
Yeah.
his foundation, his global relationship. Imagine what all he's handling.
amount of pressure.
But he does it beautifully.
Why government in Nepal is so fluctuating? Because policies changes, right? If your shakeable government is there, policies will keep on changing and the development will hamper, as far as I could understood.
Yeah, but this has been happening for the last 20, 25 years.
But why that stability is not coming? खुद तो मेरा सवाल बिल्कुल सही है, जायज़ है, क्योंकि मैं भी टूरिस्ट की तरह घूमने आया हूँ, तो जितने लोगों से मिल रहा हूँ समझ पा रहा हूँ चीज़ों को। मुझे लगता है policies when shake na, there's a lot of things.
No, this is something where people also realize, I'm sure even politicians also realize, that having a stable governance, a stable government, that is what sort of takes a country to a whole new level in the global optics.
Right.
You know, confidence building and giving the confidence to the right people globally, they come into a place where they see stability in the government.
As far as I can understand, लोगों को केवल ना अपनी नेशनल इमेज दिखती है, बट एक कंट्री ना एक इंटरनेशनल इमेज
For sure. Now look at the countries around us. The biggest example, you got China on one side, India on one side.
Yeah, they both are now because of leadership of Mr. Modi.
Leadership.
Yeah.
Look at Bhutan.
Right. Look at.
You know, when I met His Majesty, what a sharp person.
I've seen the pictures. Yeah. He came here and you were.
You know,
Yeah.
every country is playing its role. And Nepal is blessed
100%.
with Pashupatinath, Muktinath, the rivers, the mountains, the jungles. What don't we have? On one side China, one side India. What don't we have?
Opportunities everywhere.
You just need the stability.
But as far as I can see the numbers, a lot of people living in Nepal are moving other countries to do business.
Yeah, because opportunities here are far less, you know, and we have seen people moving abroad, and we get about $15 billion of foreign remittance here. That's fueling the economy.
Right. But still, smart men go out of the country. It hampers the.
No, it does, but what's the option, you tell me?
Government is the option they can play.
I know, but this is where we are also talking about the
Yeah.
same thing, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure government is realizing this, right? And they're coming up with various programs of maybe how to keep the people, you know, retain people. We as a group, you know, we are investing so much.
Right.
I've become the largest in cement.
Yeah.
You know, we are investing so much in Nepal with all our GVs, and it's not going to stop. You know, our love for Nepal is something which grows by the second. For us, I have the opportunity to go and settle anywhere in the world. I have the liberty to go live in London
100%.
and have a good life. A good life, right? Neither we've changed our citizenship, nor we've left Nepal. We believe in Nepal. I believe in Nepal. I believe in the people of Nepal. And I know that some day or maybe in the near future, we are going to propel. So it's the belief.
But why don't you jump into politics then?
You think so? I should.
100% I think so.
Why do you think so?
I think so because see, a businessman will knows country in and out really well. First thing. Second thing, if you're dynamic enough, obviously, voice is something which is very much important at the same time. And if you're both the calibers, what's wrong in it? If you're thinking good about the country,
Very kind of you.
just my thought.
No, for sure. I'll take it in the positive stride.
Yeah. Because I think,
But we want to do a lot for this country.
and I think government plays a major role.
Yeah, major role. So, at some point, too early for
It's a request also.
No, and too early for me to say you're not the first one who's actually told me. Okay, the 100th one who's told me.
Okay.
I have my equation with everybody, and they're all equally fond of me. My father is a member of the parliament.
Yeah. But I'm talking about you. हर सोच अलग है, एक नई सोच अलग है,
नहीं, वो श्योर है, मैं उसको इनकार नहीं कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
लेकिन हर चीज के लिए एक वक्त होता
वक्त होता है, ये तो बिल्कुल मानता
है.
हूँ.
माई एम इज, मेरे को एक चीज दिखता है, why
Because for India, Nepal is so important. It's like it's a family, a extended family, you can say, right? So I think we want to see the country flourish also. Like जैसे हम leadership की बात करें, अब मोदी जी आए ना, leadership में काफी changes आए ना, अब लोग उसे criticize करें नहीं करें, वो उनका वो है, थोड़ा criticism भी आता है जब आप काम करने निकलते हैं तो वो अलग चीज है. But as an image, it's improving day by day.
improving? You know where it is?
It is, yeah. But some people will not buy it.
No, irrespective. Ask me. I live there. I mean, I'm everywhere for that matter. But what Modi ji has done is beyond comprehension.
So that's why I am saying that if young mind come in the government here,
No, it should.
a lot of things will change.
For sure. वो, like I said, वक्त बताएगा.
वक्त बताएगा.
And I learn a lot from Modi ji, the way he handles relationship.
The way he has personal touch, the first thing I see.
Personal touch and the way he gets into details of things.
Yeah, sharpness.
Sharpness, that acumen. Representing 1.4 billion people.
Yeah. And how you want to take the legacy? You want to be the Tatas next? Or like the Ambanis next? Those are hard question.
No, I think we are partners with Tatas also.
Yeah.
The money
Yeah.
is so
But
sweet.
legacy building, how you want to take it?
Legacy, like I know Anant, I was there for his wedding. He's one of the nicest human beings I know.
100%.
Anant is one of the nicest human beings I know. Someone so soft, so simple, and always there to just be by your side when you need him. So, you need to look at people internally, how they are,
With a broader perspective.
how they are as a family. Let's say when Anant went to meet his family, what a fabulous family he had.
Like once I met this man, he's a sound businessman from the US, who just said that how you predict that who you're going to partners with. He said, there can be multiple reasons to partner somebody, sometime profit, sometime this thing. But I said, how you see as to make a first step in this, to moving forward in the venture. He said, I see how the person has a relationship with their family. I said, what? He said, yes.
For sure. He's giving the right answer.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me tell you, opportunities for us is immense. It's who you want to partner with. Like whoever wants to come to Nepal, their first option or the first family they look at is us. I mean, you yourself, you were telling me.
And the second thing he said, जिसके पास ऑलरेडी पैसा है वो पैसा तो बना ही लेगा ना, तो इसका मतलब वो नियत पहले देखेगा आपकी.
हाँ, नियत देखेगा, ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड
देखेगा. वो कहीं ना कहीं वो आप टेम पे जब बैठे तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स, एक पैसा ही फैक्टर नहीं है, बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स कम इनटू पिक्चर.
कुछ चीजें छुपती
नहीं है. Agree on this also?
100%. मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ यार.
So it's the right advice I got.
Yeah, and I'm endorsing it.
So last question is for you, is that now stage is all yours. Whatever you want to say, it can be your personal thing, whatever you want to share.
No, I think I've said so much.
No, I just want you to give a closure note still.
कर्म करो फल क्या मिलेगा. I believe in that. spirituality has played the biggest role in me. Friends have played a big role in me. Unity of family has played a big role in me. And love for Nepal, people of Nepal.
Before closing, one more question is that I saw on your profile, Parampara, Pratishtha और अनुशासन.
ये तीनों रखो आप अपने पास. Parampara is what? Tradition. Pratishtha is prestige. Prestige?
Yeah.
Huh? Anushashan, discipline.